Dear Saba, happy birthday to you.
She likes her cake. Here.
Eat.
In a mixing bowl, go ahead and add 3/4 a cup of flour, a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. We're going to add 1 large egg. We're also going to add 2 tablespoons of oil. I happen to be using vegetable oil. We will also add 2 tablespoons of creamy peanut butter. This bread's a little messy. So that's an ingredient your dog is sure to love. Also adding to this is a 1/4 cup of applesauce, unsweetened. Final ingredient is 2 tablespoons of pure honey. Now that all the ingredients have been added, we're going to go ahead and mix this until everything is well mixed together and it forms dough. And once mixed, we're going to add to our baking pan. Next up, we're going to go ahead and dump the mix into our pan. So you can kind of use whatever you want. 5x9 suggested, or I'm using this bread pan. So I lined it with parchment paper so that the cake will easily pop out when it's finished. So I'm going to go ahead and add in cupcake mixture. Love these rubber spatulas so you can get everything off the bowls. I'm just going to spread this around the pan. And then we're going to go ahead and cook in the oven. We're going to bake for 20 to 30 minutes on 350 until our toothpick comes out clean. Smells almost like peanut butter fudge. So, toothpick came out clean. We're going to let this cool and we'll transfer to a plate to frost. While our cake is cooling off, I got some other treats. I got a milk bone, and then I got these little baby treats. So she's 10 today, so I'm going to make this in the shape of a 10, like I did here. While we wait for the cake to cool, we're going to go ahead and make the frosting. So the recipe I have is 3 tablespoons of Greek yogurt to 1.5 tablespoons of peanut butter. So I did a heaping tablespoon of peanut butter here. And then I'm going to go ahead and just add this whole plain Greek yogurt. To make the frosting, we're going to go ahead and add 1.5 tablespoons of peanut butter and 3 tablespoons of Greek yogurt. So get plain Greek yogurt. I just poured in the whole single cup, and then I'm going to mix in with the peanut butter. So we're going to go ahead and mix this, potentially adding more peanut butter if needed. Smells good. I think that ratio worked. So I apologize. Okay, I iced the cake. I put her birthday girl thing and some milk bones. And then the last thing, she's 10. So, I have these miniature treats. Which I'll around in a circle to form. See. Okay, go on. Oh, do you like it? Yummy.